The significance of Sandhya Vandanam. Gayatri, Savitri, Saraswati, the Lord Surya, the giver of wealth and health, Lord Narayana, who exists in all creatures and controls them, are the presiding deities of Sandhya Vandanam. It is our duty to please them through dhyana, japa, tarpana, pradakshina namaskara, etc. The union of Prakriti means nature and Purusha means man is the cause of creation. Human lives in the lap of the nature. The holy blessed sages have performed penances and gained the welfare and bliss of the universe. The river which dances with its jingling anklets, the chirping of the birds, the holistic trees which sway peacefully by the blowing wind, the beautiful earth which is adored by green woods, these are the holy places for energizing divine rituals.
प्रातः संध्या वंदनम् अथ आचमनम्
देवान् भावयतानेन ते देवा भावयन्तु वः परस्परं भावयन्तः श्रेयः परमवाप्स्यथ. Bhagavad Gita proclaims that all the deities and nature gods like sun, moon, fire, etc. are residing in us and guiding us always. It is our prime duty to remember their presence and pay obeisances to them all the time. It is important to gain internal and external purification at any procedure of religious rites. Thus, Achamanam is the one which involves sipping of the water 3 times and chanting the names of the gods, involves of paying gratitude to them and get ready for the rest of the events. Here, in this Achamanam procedure, 2 things must be noticed. Number 1, the water used for Achamanam should not be used for rest of the events. We have to throw the water and get the fresh water for the rest of the events. The second point is, when you see the Achamanam in the middle of the event, please do that Achamanam full procedure and then you proceed to the next event.
Om Rigvedaya Swaha, Om Yajurvedaya Swaha, Om Samavedaya Swaha, Om Atharvavedaya Namaha, Om Itihasa Puranebhyo Namaha, Om Agnaye Namaha, Om Agnaye Namaha, Om Vayave Namaha, Om Vayave Namaha, Om Suryaya Namaha, Om Chandraya Namaha, Om Digbhyo Namaha, Om Digbhyo Namaha, Om Indraya Namaha, Om Indraya Namaha, Om Vishnave Namaha, Om Vishnave Namaha, Om Prithivye Namaha, Om Prithivye Namaha, Om Atmane Namaha, ॐ अन्तरात्मने नमः। ॐ परमात्मने नमः। अथ ऊर्ध्वपुण्ड्रमुद्रादिधारणम्।
Urdhva Mudra Dharanam. It is important to have some sort of symbols or marks on the body to a religious practitioner. According to scripture, in the Madhva tradition, the religious practitioner should wear Gopi Chandana, Chakra, Shankha, Gada, Padma and Narayana mudras daily. Gopi Chandana Papaghna Vishnu Deha Samudbhava Chakrankita Namastestu Dharanan Muktido Bhava. O Gopi Chandana, you are the destroyer of all sorts of sins. You are emanated from the body of Lord Vishnu. You have the marks of Chakra, Shankha, Gada, Padma and Narayana. Please protect me always in my life. After wearing this Gopi Chandana, next Chakra, Shankha, Gada, Padma and Narayana mudras should wear to continue the Sandhya Vandanam and other religious practices.
ॐ गोपीचन्दनपापघ्न विष्णुदेहसमुद्भव चक्राङ्कितनमस्तेऽस्तु धारणान्मुक्तिदो भव। ललाटे केशवं विद्यात् नारायणमथोदरे माधवं हृदये विद्यात् गोविन्दं कण्ठकूबरे उदरे दक्षिणे पार्श्वे विष्णुं विद्याद्विचक्षणः तत्पार्श्वे बाहुमूले तु धारयेन्मधुसूदनं त्रिविक्रमं कण्ठदेशे वामपार्श्वे तु वामनं श्रीधरं वामबाहौ तु हृषीकेशं गले लिखेत् पृष्ठे तु पद्मनाभं तु ककुद्दामोदरं न्यसेत् तत्प्रक्षालिततो येन वासुदेवेति मूर्ध्नि सुदर्शनमुद्राधारणम् सुदर्शन महाज्वाल कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभ अज्ञानान्धस्य मे नित्यं विष्णोर्मार्गं प्रदर्शय शङ्खमुद्राधारणम् पाञ्चजन्यनिजध्वान ध्वस्तपातकसञ्चय त्राहि मां पापिनं घोरसंसारार्णवपातिनं गदामुद्राधारणम् ब्रह्माण्डभुवनारम्भमूलस्तम्भो गदाधरः कौमोदकीकरे यस्य तं नमामि गदाधरम् पद्ममुद्राधारणम् संसारभयभीतानां योगिनामभयप्रदः पद्महस्तेन यो देवो योगीशं तं नमाम्यहम् नारायणमुद्राधारणम् नारायण नमस्तेऽस्तु नाममुद्राङ्कितं नरम् दृष्ट्वैव लभते मुक्तिं चण्डालो ब्रह्मघातकः अथ आचमनम् ॐ ऋग्वेदाय स्वाहा ॐ यजुर्वेदाय स्वाहा ॐ सामवेदाय स्वाहा अथ प्राणायामः
Jitasano jitashvasaha jitasango jitendriyaha. Pranayama. Pranayama helps us to get the victory over the breath and to purify the blood and get the long life. Pranayama, prana means breath, ayama means control. Once we get the control over breath, the mind indeed rests in tranquility. Now I am going to show the procedure of pranayama. The first procedure is close your left nostril with the last two fingers and exhale the air through right nostril. Then you take the air through the left nostril and hold it. Once you get the control of the breath, then mentally chant the Gayatri mantra. After the Gayatri mantra is chanted, slowly release the air through your right nostril. This procedure must be done thrice. This is called pranayama.
Pranavasya parabrahmarshihi daivi gayatri chandaha paramatma devata pranayame viniyogaha om bhuh om bhuvah om swaha om mahah om janah om tapah om satyam om tatha viturvarenyam bhargo devasya dhimahi dhiyo yonah prachodayat om apo jyotirasomritam brahma bhurvasvarom. Atha sankalpaha.
Oath in the beginning and dedication at the end, these two are armors of any spiritual ritual. Mental and oral action of such and such work, in such and such day, in such and such place, desiring such and such fruit, I do this work. This proclamation is considered as sankalpa. This sankalpa involves the prayers of Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari, Saraswati, etc. rivers. In this part of sankalpa, we have to pronounce the name of Samvatsara, means year. The name of Ayana means the two parts of the year. Samvatsara, Ayana, Masa means the name of the month. Ritu means the name of the season. Paksha means the name of the fortnight, and Tithi means the name of the lunar day. The Panchanga, the Hindu calendar, provides the information of particulars of that specific day. Here, one important point must be understood. That is, if we are doing Sandhya Vandanam in South Canara area, we have to chant as Parashurama Kshetre. In the northern part of India, as Brahma Kshetre. And in all other places, we have to chant as Rama Kshetre. Like that.
Gange cha yamune chaiva Godavari Saraswati Narmade Sindhu Kaveri Jalesmin Sannidhim Kuru Gangadyaha Sarvatirtha Devataha Sannihitaha Santu Shri Krishna Krishna Govinda Govinda Vishnurajnaya Pravartamanasya Adya Brahmanaha Dvitiya Parardhe Shri Shvetavaraha Kalpe Vaivasvatamanvantare Ashtavimshatitame Kali Yuge Prathama Pade जम्बूद्वीपे भारतवर्षे भरतखण्डे मेरोः दक्षिणपार्श्वे दण्डकारण्ये गोदावर्याः दक्षिणे कूले शालिवाहनशके बुद्धावतारे रामक्षेत्रे अस्मिन् वर्तमाने व्यावहारिके विजयनामसंवत्सरे दक्षिणायने तुलार्के शरदृतौ कार्तिकमासे शुक्लपक्षे तृतीयायां तिथौ सौम्यवासरयुक्तायां शुभनक्षत्र शुभयोग शुभकर्ण एवं गुणविशेषण विशिष्टायां शुभपुण्यतिथौ अस्मदादिगुरूणां श्रीमन्मध्वाचार्याणां हृत्कमलमध्यनिवासि वासुदेव संकर्षण प्रद्युम्न अनिरुद्ध चतुर्मूर्त्यादि अनंतावतारात्मक श्री सवितृनामक श्री लक्ष्मीनारायण प्रेरणया श्री लक्ष्मीनारायण प्रीत्यर्थं प्रातः संध्याम् उपासे। अथ मार्जनम्।
मार्जनम्। आपो वा इदगुं सर्वं विश्वभूतान्यापः प्राणा वा आपः। Like this, Yajurveda mantra goes. This mantra extols the greatness and the efficacies of the water. Water is the life source of all creatures. The performer should sprinkle the water while chanting this Marjana mantra over all parts of his body. Now I am going to show the procedure of Marjanam. The performer should take the water like this and sprinkle on 9 parts of his body. First at the feet, second at the head, third and fourth at the chest, fifth at the feet, sixth and seventh at the head, eighth at the chest, the ninth one at the feet. Like this, Marjanam must be done. According to scriptures, Lord Indra got rid of his sin of killing Vishwarupa Acharya by performing this Marjanam and chanting the mantra of Marjanam.
आपोहिष्ठेति त्रिऋचस्य सूक्तस्य आम्बरीष सिन्धुद्वीपऋषिः दैवी गायत्री छन्दः आपो देवताः मार्जने विनियोगः। ॐ आपोहिष्ठा मायो भुवाः ताना ऊर्जे दाधातन महेरणाय चक्षासे यो वः शिवतामो रसाः तस्या भाजयते हनाः उशतीरिव मातराः तस्मा अरङ्गमामवः यस्य क्षयाय जिन्वाथ आपो जनयाथाचनः। अथ जलाभिमन्त्रणम्।
From morning till evening, from evening till morning, we ourselves engage doing good and bad deeds using our body. This Jalabhimantrana prayer means that may the gods of Sandhya purify all my sins performed in the entire day and purify my soul.
सूर्यश्चेत्यस्य मन्त्रस्य नारायण ऋषिः प्रकृतिश्छन्दः सूर्यमामन्युपतयो रात्रिर्देवता जलाभिमन्त्रणे विनियोगः ॐ सूर्यश्च मामन्युश्च मन्युपतयश्च मन्युकृतेभ्यः पापेभ्यो रक्षन्ताम् यद्रात्र्या पापमकार्षम् मनसा वाचा हस्ताभ्याम् पद्भ्यामुदरेण शिश्ना रात्रिस्तदवलुम्पतु यत्किञ्च दुरितं मयि इदमहं माममृतयोनौ सूर्ये ज्योतिषि जुहोमि स्वाहा ॐ अथ आचमनम् ॐ ऋग्वेदाय स्वाहा ॐ यजुर्वेदाय स्वाहा ॐ सामवेदाय स्वाहा अथ अर्घ्यप्रदानम्
Arghya-pradanam. This Arghya-pradanam event is one of the main parts of the Sandhya Vandanam. The demons called Mandehas, by the boon of Lord Brahma, having so much power, try to swallow the sun god every day. Then the sages called Valakilyas, they offer Suryarghyam while chanting the Gayatri mantra to ward off all the evil forces. It is our duty also to perform Arghya Pradanam and to be part of the protection of the world. Arghya means puja material. Pradanam means offering. At the time of sunrise and sunset, this Arghya Pradanam must be performed. Offering a handful of water 3 times while chanting the Gayatri mantra is called Arghya Pradanam. If you think it is difficult to hold the water vessel like this and offer the Arghyam, you can do like this. Take the water from left hand and put that water into your right hand and join both the hands and offer Arghyam like this.
सवित्ररूपी श्रीलक्ष्मीनारायणप्रेरणया श्रीलक्ष्मीनारायणप्रीत्यर्थम् प्रातः सन्ध्याङ्ग सूर्यार्घ्यप्रदानम् अहं करिष्ये.
Evil forces take place in the water at the time of Sandhya Vandanam. To ward off them and get the divine energy in the water, the Jalayantra must be written. After purifying the water with this yantra, Suryarghya should be given. The procedure of Jalayantra writing is like this. First, write the triangle in the water and then write the letter Hrim at the lower part of inside the triangle. Then Om on the top of outer triangle, Bhuhu at the right, Bhuvaha at the bottom, Suvaha at the left, and final letter Vam at the top of Hrim inside the triangle.
विश्वामित्र ऋषिः दैवी गायत्री छन्दः सविता देवता प्रातः सन्ध्याङ्ग सूर्यार्घ्यप्रदाने विनियोगः. ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् अथ प्रायश्चित्तार्घ्यम्
Prayashchittarghyam. This Prayashchittarghyam must be given when the time of Suryarghya becomes delayed. If Suryarghya is given after 1 hour of sunrise and later to the sunset, this Prayashchittarghyam becomes compulsory.
यदद्य कच्च वृत्रहन्निति मन्त्रस्य सुवाक्षऋषिः गायत्री छन्दः सूर्यो देवता प्रातः सन्ध्याकालातीत दोषपरिहारार्थं प्रायश्चित्तार्घ्यप्रदाने विनियोगः। ॐ यदद्य कच्चा वृत्रहन्नुदगाः अभिसूर्य सर्वं तदिन्द्रते वशे। अथ गायत्र्याकर्षणम्।
Gayatryakarshana. The given Suryarghya while chanting Gayatri mantra becomes Brahmastra, means a powerful missile, and touches the body of demons like Mandeha and others. To draw back this Brahmastra, we have to chant the mantras of Gayatryakarshana.
प्रतिचक्ष्व विचक्ष्वेत्यस्य मन्त्रस्य वसिष्ठ ऋषिः अनुष्टुप् छन्दः रक्षोहणौ इन्द्रासोमौ देवते गायत्र्याकर्षणे विनियोगः। ॐ प्रतीचक्ष्व विचक्ष्वेन्द्रश्च सोमजागृतम् रक्षोभ्यो वधमस्य तमशनिं यातु मद्भ्याः। ॐ उत्तिष्ठ देवि गन्तव्यं पुनरागमनाय च गायत्री च महादेवी प्रविश्य हृदयं मम। असावादित्यो ब्रह्म ओमापो ज्योतिरसोऽमृतं ब्रह्म भूर्भुवस्वरो। अथ आचमनम्। ॐ ऋग्वेदाय स्वाहा ॐ यजुर्वेदाय स्वाहा ॐ सामवेदाय स्वाहा। अथ तर्पणम्।
Tarpanam. The 24 forms of Vishnu like Keshava, Narayana, Madhava, Govinda, etc. are the regulators of the time called Shukla Paksha, the full moon fortnight, and Krishna Paksha, the new moon fortnight. To obtain the blessings of all these 24 forms, we have to chant the mantras and give the tarpanam, means water oblation to the Supreme Being.
ॐ केशवं तर्पयामि ॐ नारायणं तर्पयामि ॐ माधवं तर्पयामि ॐ गोविन्दं तर्पयामि ॐ विष्णुं तर्पयामि ॐ मधुसूदनं तर्पयामि ॐ त्रिविक्रमं तर्पयामि ॐ वामनं तर्पयामि ॐ श्रीधरं तर्पयामि ॐ हृषीकेशं तर्पयामि ॐ पद्मनाभं तर्पयामि ॐ दामोदरं तर्पयामि। अथ आचमनम्। ॐ ऋग्वेदाय स्वाहा ॐ यजुर्वेदाय स्वाहा ॐ सामवेदाय स्वाहा ॐ सङ्कर्षणं तर्पयामि ॐ वासुदेवं तर्पयामि ॐ प्रद्युम्नं तर्पयामि ॐ अनिरुद्धं तर्पयामि ॐ पुरुषोत्तमं तर्पयामि ॐ अधोक्षजं तर्पयामि ॐ नरसिंहं तर्पयामि ॐ अच्युतं तर्पयामि ॐ जनार्दनं तर्पयामि ॐ उपेन्द्रं तर्पयामि ॐ हरिं तर्पयामि ॐ श्रीकृष्णं तर्पयामि। अथ आचमनम्। ॐ ऋग्वेदाय स्वाहा ॐ यजुर्वेदाय स्वाहा ॐ सामवेदाय स्वाहा। अथ हरिगुरुध्यानम्।
Hari-Guru-Dhyanam. The prime part of Sandhya Vandanam, the Gayatri Japa, begins with Hari-Guru-Dhyanam. Shuklam Baradharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam and Purna Prabodham Cha Sutatvadipam Kramad Gurumscha Pranamami Murdhna. After paying salutations to the Supreme Lord Hari and revered Guru Madhvacharya, the purification of sitting place, which is called asana shuddhi, must be done.
Shuklam Baradharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasanna Vadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vighnopashantaye Sarva Vighna Prashamanam Sarva Siddhikaram Param Sarva Jiva Pranetaram Vande Vijayadam Harim Lakshmi Narayanam Vande Tadbhakta Pravarohiyah Srimadananda Tirthakhyo Gurustancha Namamyaham Vede Ramayane Chaiva Purane Bharate Tatha Adavante Cha Madhye Cha Vishnu Sarvatra Giyate Ramapatim Purnagunam Mukundam Vyasancha Vijnana Sahasrabhanum Purna Prabodhancha Sutatvadipam Kramad Gurumscha Pranamami Murdhna Sarvabhyaha Tattvadevatabhyo Namaha Sarvabhyo Matrika Devatabhyo Namaha. Atha Asana Shuddhihi. पृथिव्याः मेरुपृष्ठऋषिः सुतलं छन्दः कूर्मो देवता आसनशुद्ध्यर्थे जपे विनियोगः। ॐ पृथ्वीत्वया धृता लोकाः देवि त्वं विष्णुना धृता त्वञ्च धारय मां देवि पवित्रं कुरु चासनम्। अथ भूतोच्चाटनम्। भूतप्रेतपिशाचाये ये चान्ये भुवि भारकाः तेषामप्यविरोधेन जपकर्मसमारभे निरस्तः परावसुः इदमहम् अर्वावसोः सदने सीदामि। अथ गुरुनमस्कारः। ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ पूर्वगुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ आदिगुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ मूलगुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ श्रीमदानन्दतीर्थ भगवत्पादाचार्य गुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ श्रीवेदव्यासाय नमः। अथ करशुद्धिः। ॐ यं ॐ रं ॐ वं ॐ यं ॐ रं ॐ वं ॐ यं ॐ रं ॐ वं ॐ यं ॐ रं ॐ वं। अस्त्राय फट्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वरो। अथ पापपुरुषध्यानं निरासश्च
Papa Purusha Dhyanam Tannirasascha. The four forms of Lord Vishnu, which are Pradyumna, Aniruddha, Sankarshana and Vasudeva, reside and preside in our body. Papa Purusha is the one who induces us to do sinful acts. We pray Pradyumna form to dry up the Papa Purusha, Aniruddha form to burn it, the Sankarshana form to remove the ash of burnt Papa Purusha, and Vasudeva form to make our body soaked in nectar. Now, I am going to tell you how to chant the mantras while doing this procedure. Om Yam mantra must be chanted 6 times like this. Om Yam, Om Yam, Om Yam, Om Yam, Om Yam, Om Yam, like that. And Om Ram mantra 12 times like this. Om Ram, 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 like that. And Om Vam mantra 24 times like this. If you do 2 times like this, it becomes 24 times. This is called Papa Purusha Dhyanam Tannirasascha.
ब्रह्म हत्या शिरस्कञ्च स्वर्णस्तेय भुजद्वयं सुरापानहृदायुक्तं गुरुतल्पकटिद्वयं तत्संयोगपदद्वन्द्वं अङ्गप्रत्यङ्गपातकम् उपपातकरोमाणं रक्तश्मश्रुविलोचनं खड्गचर्मधरं पापं नाम कुक्षौ विचिन्तयेत्। ॐ यं नाभौ षट्कोणमण्डलमध्यस्थो नीलवर्णो वायुवन्तर्गतः श्रीप्रद्युम्नो भगवान् मच्छरीरस्थं पापपुरुषं वायुना शोषयतु। ॐ यं ॐ यं ॐ यं ॐ यं ॐ यं ॐ यं ॐ ब्रं हृदये त्रिकोणमण्डलमध्यस्थो रक्तवर्णो वह्न्यन्तर्गतः श्रीमदनिरुद्धो भगवान् मच्छरीरस्थं पापपुरुषं वह्निना निर्दहतु। ॐ रं 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 नासाग्रस्थः संकर्षणो भगवान् मच्छरीरस्थित दग्धपापपुरुषस्य भस्म निस्सारयतु। ॐ वं शिरसि वर्तुलमण्डलमध्यस्थः श्वेतवर्णो वरुणान्तर्गतः श्रीवासुदेवो भगवान् मच्छरीरम् अमृतवृष्ट्या आप्लावयतु। ॐ वं 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 ॐ वं। अथ लोकन्यासः।
Lokanyasah. We should imagine that all 7 worlds exist in our body. The presiding deities of these 7 worlds must be remembered and paid obeisances by chanting the mantras like this. Om Bhuh, Om Bhuvah, Om Suvah, etc.
Om Bhuh, Om Bhuvah, Om Suvah, Om Mahah, Om Janah, Om Tapah, Om Satyam, ॐ तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूः ॐ भुवः ॐ सुवः ॐ महः ॐ जनः ॐ तपः ॐ सत्यम्। ॐ तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूः ॐ भुवः ॐ सुवः ॐ महः ॐ जनः ॐ तपः ॐ सत्यम्। ॐ तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओमापो ज्योतिरसोऽमृतं ब्रह्म भूर्भुवस्वरो। अथ गायत्री जपः।
Gayatri Mantra Japaha. There are 4 parts at the beginning and ending of any Mantra Japa. They are Pranayamaha, Karanyasaha, Anganyasaha and Dhyanam. Pranayamaha means getting the control over the breath, chanting the Moola Mantra like Gayatri Mantra, Ashtakshara Mantra, etc. Karanyasaha means imagining the presiding deities of the mantra in hand and in fingers, like Angushtabhyam Namaha, Tarjanibhyam Namaha, like that. Anganyasaha means touching the different parts of the body, chanting the mantras like Hridayaya Namaha, Shirase Swaha, like that. Dhyanam means meditating upon the beautiful and charming form of the supreme deity is called as Dhyanam. After chanting Gayatri Mantra 10 times, 100 times or 1000 times, at the end of Mantra Japa, the chanter should reversely chant the Dhyanam, Anganyasaha, Karanyasaha and Pranayama at the end. Now I am going to show you how the Mantra Japa should be done counting. Starting from the middle of ring finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Here one important thing you should know is there should be one tarpanam given at each 10 Gayatri Mantra Japa.
अथ प्राणायामः। अस्य श्री गायत्री महामन्त्रस्य विश्वामित्र ऋषिः दैवी गायत्री छन्दः सविता देवता। अथ करन्यासः। ॐ तत्सवितुः अंगुष्ठाभ्यां नमः। ॐ वरेण्यं तर्जनीभ्यां नमः। ॐ भर्गो देवस्य मध्यमाभ्यां नमः। ॐ धीमहि अनामिकाभ्यां नमः। ॐ धियो यो नः कनिष्ठिकाभ्यां नमः। ॐ प्रचोदयात् करतलकरपृष्ठाभ्यां नमः। अथ षडङ्गन्यासः। ॐ तत्सवितुः हृदयाय नमः। ॐ वरेण्यं शिरसे स्वाहा। ॐ भर्गो देवस्य शिखायै वषट्। ॐ धीमहि कवचाय हुम्। ॐ धियो यो नः नेत्राभ्यां वौषट्। ॐ प्रचोदयात् अस्त्राय फट्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वरोमिति दिग्बन्धः। अथ ध्यानम्। प्रोद्यदादित्यवर्णश्च सूर्यमण्डलमध्यगः चक्रशङ्खधरोऽङ्कस्थ दोर्द्वयोऽध्येय एव च ध्येयः सदा सवितृमण्डलमध्यवर्ती नारायणः सरसिजासनसन्निविष्टः केयूरवान् मकरकुण्डलवान् किरीटी हारी हिरण्मयवपुः धृतशङ्खचक्रः श्रीसवितृनामक श्रीलक्ष्मीनारायणप्रेरणया श्रीलक्ष्मीनारायणप्रीत्यर्थं प्रातः सन्ध्याङ्ग यथाशक्ति गायत्री जपतर्पणम् अहं करिष्ये। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ गायत्रीं तर्पयामि ॐ सावित्रीं तर्पयामि ॐ सरस्वतीं तर्पयामि। अनेन गायत्री जप तर्पण करणेन भगवान् सवितृरूपी लक्ष्मीनारायणः प्रीयताम्। अथ दिगुपस्थानम्।
Digupasthanam. The middle part of the Sandhya Vandanam ends with Gayatri Mantra Japa. Then the beginning of last part of Sandhya Vandanam begins with Digupasthanam. There are presiding deities in all directions. Like Indra presides east, Agni, the fire god, presides the southeast, Yama, the god of death, presides the south direction, like that. It is our prime duty to pay our obeisances and request them to guide us, to protect us from all directions always. This prayer is called as Digupasthanam.
गाधिनो विश्वामित्र ऋषिः दैवी गायत्री त्रिष्टुभौ छन्दसि मित्रो देवता सूर्योपस्थाने विनियोगः ॐ मित्रस्याचर्षणी धृतो वो देवस्यासानसि द्युम्नं चित्रश्रावस्तमम् मित्रो जनान्यातयति ब्रुवाणो मित्रो दाधार पृथिवीमुतद्याम् मित्रः कृष्टीरनिमिषाभिचष्टे मित्राय हव्यं घृतवज्जुहोत प्रसमित्रमर्तो अस्तु प्रयस्वान् यस्ता आदित्यशिक्षातिव्रतेन न हन्यते न जीयते त्वोतो नैनमंहो अश्नोत्यन्तीतो न दूरात्। अथ दिङ्नमस्कारः। ॐ इन्द्राय नमः ॐ अग्नये नमः ॐ यमाय नमः ॐ निरृतये नमः ॐ वरुणाय नमः ॐ वायवे नमः ॐ सोमाय नमः ॐ ईशानाय नमः ॐ सन्ध्यायै नमः ॐ सन्ध्यापतये नमः ॐ गायत्र्यै नमः। ॐ सावित्र्यै नमः। ॐ सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ ब्रह्मणे नमः। ॐ अनन्ताय नमः। ॐ नमो ध्रुवासी। ॐ इन्द्रश्रेष्ठा निद्रवीणानिधेः चित्तिन्दक्षस्य सुभगत्वमस्मे पोषं रयीणामरिष्टिं तनूनां स्वाद्मानं वाचः सुदिनत्वमह्नाम्। ॐ यमाय धर्मराजाय मृत्यवे चान्तकाय च वैवस्वताय कालाय सर्वभूतक्षयाय च औदुम्बराय दध्नाय नीलाय परमेष्ठिने वृकोदराय चित्राय चित्रगुप्ताय वै नमः। ॐ ध्रुवासु त्वासु क्षितिषु क्षियन्तो व्या अस्मत्पाशं वरुणो मुमोचत् अवो वन्वाना अदितेरुपस्थाद्यूयं पात स्वस्तिभिः सदा नः। ॐ ऋतगं सत्यं परं ब्रह्म पुरुषं कृष्णपिङ्गलम् ऊर्ध्वरेतं विरूपाक्षं विश्वरूपाय वै नमो नमः। ॐ भूरिदं प्रदक्षिणम् ॐ भुवरिदं प्रदक्षिणम् ॐ स्वरिदं प्रदक्षिणम् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वरिदं प्रदक्षिणम्। अथ गोत्राभिवादनम्।
गोत्राभिवादनम्। आकाशात् पतितं तोयं यथा गच्छति सागरं सर्वदेव नमस्कारः केशवं प्रति गच्छति। As the water fallen from the sky reaches the ocean finally, like that all the obeisances and salutations offered to divine person finally reaches the Supreme Lord Keshava. Here in Gotrabhivadanam, while doing the Gotrabhivadanam, the performer should touch his right ear with right hand and left ear with left hand and chant the name of his lineage, like Angirasa Gotraha or Bharadwaja Gotrotpannaha, like that. And his sutras which will prescribe his duties, like Ashvalayana Sutraha, Bodhayana Sutraha, like that. And he should chant the Veda to which he belongs to, Rikshakadhyayi or Yajushakadhyayi, like that. And finally, he should chant his name like Sri Krishna Sharma or Sri Rama Sharma, like that, and say finally Ahambho Abhivadaye. So after chanting this entire mantra, he should touch the divine person's right foot with right hand and left foot with left hand. Like that, he has to touch the feet of the sacred and divine person who is in front of him. For your information, I am going to give you the list of Gotra Pravaras. Who belongs to Bhargava Gotra, they should chant like this: Bhargava, Chavana, Aurva, Apnavana, Jamadagnya, Pancharisheya Pravaranvita Bhargava Gotraha. Who belongs to Kashyapa Gotra? Kashyapa, Avatsara, Naidhriva, Triarisheya Pravaranvita Kashyapa Gotraha. Who belongs to Angirasa Gotra? Angirasa Ambarisha Yauvanashvatriyarusheya Pravaranvita Angirasa Gotraha. Who belongs to Vishwamitra Gotra? They should chant Vaishwamitra Madhuchandasa Audala Triyarusheya Pravaranvita Vishwamitra Gotraha, or Vaishwamitra Madhuchandasa Dhananjaya Triyarusheya Pravaranvita Vishwamitra Gotraha. And finally, the Vasishtha Gotras, Vasishtha, Maitra Varuni, Kaundinya, Triyarusheya Pravaranvita Vasishtha Gotraha.
Akashat patitam toyam yatha gacchati sagaram sarvadeva namaskaraha keshavam pratigacchati. Angirasa Ambarisha Yauvanashva Triyarusheya Pravaranvita Angirasa Gotraha Ashvalayana Sutraha Rikshakadhyayi Shri Hari Sharma Ahambho Abhivadaye. Yam sada sarvabhutani sthavarani charani cha sayam pratar namasyanti samam sandhyabhirakshatu. Namostvanantaya sahasramurtaye sahasrapadakshi shirorubahave sahasranamne purushaya shashvate सहस्रकोटि युगधारिणे नमः. नमो ब्रह्मण्य देवाय गोब्राह्मणहिताय च जगद्धिताय कृष्णाय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः. अथ अष्टाक्षरमन्त्रः.
अष्टाक्षर महामंत्र जपः. गायत्र्याः त्रिगुणं विष्णुं ध्यायन् अष्टाक्षरं जपेत. 30 times we have to chant Ashtakshara mantra for 10 times of Gayatri mantra. Gayatri mantra japa gives firmness in Brahmanism. Ashtakshara Mahamantra japa gives the attainment of Vaishnavism. And finally, Shiva Panchakshara japa gives the grace of all gods and goddesses. This way, Ashtakshara, Panchakshara japa must be chanted daily.
Asya Shri Narayanaashtakshara Mahamantrasya Antaryami Rishihi Daivi Gayatri Chandaha Shri Narayano Devata Jape Viniyogaha. Atha Panchanganyasaha. Om Kruddholkaya Hridayaya Namaha. Om Maholkaya Shirase Swaha. Om Virolkaya Shikhayai Vashat. Om Dyulkaya Kavachaya Hum. Om Sahasrolkaya Astraya Phat. Om Bhurbhuvaswarom iti Digbandhaha. Atha Dhyanam Udyadbhasvatsamabhasaha Chidanandaikadehavan Chakrashankhagada Padmadharo Dhyeyohamishwaraha. Lakshmidharabhyamashlishtah Swamurtiganamadyagaha. Brahmavayushivahisha Vipaishakrādikairapi Sevyamanodhikam bhaktya Nitya nishesha shaktiman. Murtayoshtavapidhyeyah Chakra shankha varabhayaihi Yuktaah pradipavarnascha Sarvabharana bhushitaah. Bimbosi pratibimbosmi तव यद्यपि चान्तरं स्वामिन् निर्दोषमद्दोषं विरेचय नमोऽस्तु ते। श्रीलक्ष्मीनारायणप्रेरणया श्रीलक्ष्मीनारायणप्रीत्यर्थं यथाशक्ति अष्टाक्षरमहामन्त्र जपतर्पणमहं करिष्ये। ॐ नमो नारायणाय। ॐ नमो नारायणाय। ॐ तर्पयामि। अनेन अष्टाक्षरमहामन्त्र जपतर्पणकरणेन भगवान् मध्वान्तर्गतः श्रीलक्ष्मीनारायणः प्रीयताम्। श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। अथ शिवपञ्चाक्षरमन्त्रः। अस्य श्रीपञ्चाक्षरमहामन्त्रस्य वामदेव ऋषिः पङ्क्तिश्छन्दः सदाशिवरुद्रान्तर्गतः श्रीलक्ष्मीनृसिंहो देवता जपे विनियोगः। अथ पञ्चाङ्गन्यासः। ॐ नं हृदयाय नमः। ॐ मं शिरसे स्वाहा। ॐ शिं शिखायै वषट्। ॐ वां कवचाय हुं। ॐ यं अस्त्राय फट्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वरोमिति दिग्बन्धः। अथ ध्यानम्। ध्येयः पञ्चमुखो रुद्रः स्फटिकामलकान्तिमान् विद्युच्छुभ्रासितरजः सामान्यस्य मुखानि तु जटावबद्धेन्दुकलः प्रियायुङ्नागभूषणः। श्रीरुद्रान्तर्गत श्रीभारतीरमण मुख्यप्राणान्तर्गत श्रीलक्ष्मीनृसिंहप्रेरणया श्रीलक्ष्मीनृसिंहप्रीत्यर्थं यथाशक्ति पञ्चाक्षरमहामन्त्र जपतर्पणम् अहं करिष्ये। ॐ नमः शिवाय। ॐ नमः शिवाय। ॐ तर्पयामि। अनेन यथाशक्ति शिवपञ्चाक्षरमहामन्त्र जपतर्पणकरणेन भगवान् रुद्रान्तर्गत श्रीभारतीरमणमुख्यप्राणान्तर्गत श्रीलक्ष्मीनृसिंहः प्रीयताम्। श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु।
पौळव नित्यानुष्ठानम्।
अथ कृष्णार्पणम्।
पौळव नित्यानुष्ठानम्।
कृष्णार्पणम्। यत्करोषि यदश्नासि यज्जुहोषि ददासि यत् यत्तपस्यसि कौन्तेय तत्कुरुष्व मदर्पणम् is the assurance of Lord Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita. Finally, we have to offer all things to Lord Himself. Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam sharanam vraja is the again assurance given by Lord Krishna. So, whatever we do through our body, mind, speech and whatnot, finally it will reach the Supreme Lord's feet. So, this Sandhya Vandanam will be concluded by chanting Kayena Vacha Manasendriyirva Buddhyatmana Va Anusruta Swabhavam karomi yadyat sakalam parasmai narayanaayati samarpayami. O Lord, whatever I have done, all the activities, because of your grace and your supreme power, all offerings I am going to submit at your feet. This is the conclusion of Sandhya Vandanam.
Kayena vacha manasendriyairva buddhyatmana va anusrutasvabhavam karomi yadyat sakalam parasmai narayanaayeti samarpayami. Anena sandhya vandana japatarpana karanena Bhagavan madhvantargatah Shri Gopala Krishnah Priyatam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Atha Achamanam. Om Rigvedaya Swaha. Om Yajurvedaya Swaha. Om Samavedaya Swaha. Atha Namatraya Mantra Japaha.
Namatraya Japaha. Achyutananta Govinda Namoccharana Bheshajat Nashyanti Sakala Rogaha Satyam Satyam Vadamyaham is the statement of the scripture. We do so many mistakes from morning till night. By chanting these three names of Lord Vishnu, Achyuta, Ananta and Govinda, all sins will be in no time washed away and we will be blessed by the Supreme Lord Vishnu.
Japakale mantra tantra swara varna sarvalopadosha prayashchittartham yatha shakti namatraya japamaham karishye. Om Achyutaya Namaha. Om Anantaya Namaha. Om Govindaya Namaha. Om Achyutaya Namaha. Om Anantaya Namaha. Om Govindaya Namaha. Om Achyutaya Namaha. Om Anantaya Namaha. Om Govindaya Namaha.
Once there were some demons known as Vandeha Danavaru who wished to attack the sun god. By attacking the sun god, they hoped to cause misery to the people and thereby intended to control both the Bhuloka and the Swargaloka. However, the great sage Vishwamitra ordained every Brahmin to assemble at the seashore and directed them to offer Suryargya. This Suryargya, by all the Brahmins in unison, empowered the sun god, and the Vandeha Danavaru were vanquished and a terrible disaster was averted. This is clearly an evidence of how sincere practice of the daily rituals of Devata Karya, Paitrika Karya, etc. empower the gods and goddesses. The scriptures say that whatever be the circumstances, at the appropriate time, one has got to do the Sandhya Vandani. It is further stated that this is not optional, it is mandatory. All these rituals like Sandhya Vandani, Puja, etc. have in them the power to bestow strength to the gods and goddesses, through which there will be timely rains, good agricultural yields, etc. That would bring a state of abundance to the whole world, and there will be peace and prosperity all over. With this objective of ensuring that we learn the practice of daily rituals, Dr. Suresh Rao has been conducting Vasantha Vedapatha Shibira, a short-term residential course at Katil for the last 18 years. He has been providing these students free food, lodging, books and puja utensils. A huge number of our boys have taken benefit of this course. Dr. Rao believes that the objective of these camps, which is propagation of importance of daily rituals, should not be confined only to the small children. Even the grown-up people should be convinced and induced into starting their Nitya Vidhis. It is with this intention that Dr. Rao has brought out this video. On the occasion of him entering the 60th Samvatsara, he has chosen to dedicate this video for the betterment of the world. We have given our suggestions and views at the time of making this video. This video mainly allows you to do your Japanusthana in a brief format as well as in an elaborate way of your choice. It contains Japa, Puja Vidhi, Yajnopavita Dharani, Parishanchani, Agni Karya, etc. When all Vatus and Grahasthas regularly perform their Japa, Ahanika, etc., that would automatically empower the Devatas, resulting in turn with proper sequencing of all seasons, timely rains and good agricultural yield. This will ensure peace and prosperity all over. I sincerely wish that Dr. Rao's sincere effort to help the people to reignite our tradition and thereby make our world a better place is a success. I pray to Mother Brahmarambike to make this video popular and may all the people take full advantage of the same.